In the workplace, we encounter various types of biases. Affinity bias, favouring people who are similar to ourselves in terms of background or interests. Confirmation bias, seeking information that aligns with our pre-existing beliefs. Halo effect, allowing one positive trait to overshadow other aspects. Gender bias, favouring one gender over another in hiring, promotions, or daily interactions. Each of these biases can impact decisions and workplace culture. For instance, affinity bias can lead to forming in-groups and out-groups, which may exclude others. Understanding these biases allows us to be more aware of our own tendencies and work toward fairer decision-making. Problem-solving methodology. One common approach is the root cause analysis, used to investigate and identify the underlying cause of a problem, as we discussed earlier. In a case study, you might see how a team used this method to investigate recurring software bugs and found that the issue was related to outdated code rather than user error. In many negotiations, especially with clients or stakeholders, you might need to make concessions. However, each concession should bring you closer to your desired outcome. Example, if a client wants a faster delivery timeline, consider offering it only if they commit to additional services or a long-term contract. Silence as a tool. Silence can be a powerful tactic, giving the other party space to reconsider their stance. Example, after making your case in a salary negotiation, remain silent instead of immediately justifying further. This allows your request to resonate, often prompting the other person to respond more favourably. Anchoring. Anchoring involves setting a reference point for the negotiation to guide the direction of discussions. Example, when negotiating a service fee, start with a higher price than your minimum acceptable amount, creating an anchor that allows room for negotiation while keeping the final figure favourable to you. By understanding and applying these tactics, you can handle various negotiation scenarios with skill and strategy. A clear and informative subject line is essential because it's the first thing your recipient will see. A well-crafted subject line helps set expectations, enables recipients to prioritise your email, and ensures they understand the purpose at a glance. Aim to make it specific and relevant to your message. For example, rather than just using a vague subject like question, opt for something more descriptive, such as question on Q4 marketing strategy. This provides immediate context, helping the recipient understand the focus of your email and anticipate its content before they even open it. In the email body, structuring your content thoughtfully is equally important. A well-organised email allows your recipient to read, understand, and respond efficiently. Here's a simple structure to follow. Greeting. Start with a polite greeting, tailored to the level of formality needed for the relationship or context. Opening statement. Provide a brief summary or purpose statement at the beginning so the reader quickly understands why you're reaching out. Body paragraphs. Use clear, concise paragraphs to break down details. This helps keep the message organised and easy to digest. Each paragraph should focus on a single idea or point. Closing. End with a call to action or a polite closing note. If you're requesting a response or action, make it clear what you need and by when, if applicable. Using a structured format not only improves readability, but also increases the likelihood of a prompt and effective response, helping both you and the recipient achieve the intended communication goals.